Yay.
I'm hungry. Michael, want to sing with me?
I thought we were gonna learn coding.
Okay. Pull up the
Wait,
chair.
I
Pull up the
stopped
chair.
welding so we could learn coding.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm joking.
I'm here at the fridge, noble peasant, Benny Jim. But we can sing together. Doesn't that sound kind of cute? Okay, you know what? I'm the only one. I'm the one.
You can play it. You can sing if you like.
Can I have a drink?
Yeah. So I can both have some.
Okay, Michael Reeves, it's time for yours. Concert. Wait, hold on. Why is my... Oh, it's at a weird, funky angle. Hold on.
19. Oh, or that.
Is it like short? Oh! Oh, that explains a lot. Okay, take a seat, Michael Reeves. Okay! Okay, you're a little... Okay. No, it's like over here. No. Here. Okay, just do it. Da. So, dun. It's like dun da. So, dun.
What?
So.
Oh, got it.
No, one up. No, yeah. Yeah. Same thing. Yeah. Repeat it. Let's start from here again. No, up, remember? Yeah. Up, more, up, yeah. Here. One up. No. And then all the way up here. Yeah.
Yay!
I can't feel my legs.
Oh yeah. I'm kind of trying. I'm a little gaining weight.
It's okay. I love you. Okay.
Are you tired?
Nope. I'm ready to learn.
You want to learn coding?
Yeah.
I don't know if that was a very confident yeah.
I'm just hungry.
Oh, well, food's on the way.
Oh, cool.
Do you want to...
Until food's here, you want to sing?
I thought you were going to say learn coding, but... Right? You baited me.
TJ's here. We have to sing. Okay, sit.
TJ, you care about coding, right? Wait a minute, aren't DMCAs like rampant on Twitch right now?
No, covers don't count, bro.
I mean, I thought they
Okay.
did.
Okay. Cause we can stay at home and watch the sunset.
And I can't help but asking, are you bored yet?
And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me.
Before this ends up as another memory. The truth, so I don't have to lie. The truth, so I don't have to lie. Can't sing the harmony like that, bro. I get confused.
I wasn't even harmonizing. I wasn't even harmonizing.
I can't tell the difference.
Michael,
Yeah?
don't touch the wire. Okay. Michael. No, please stop! Okay, I'm so sorry,
If
chat.
we're being honest,
I'm sorry.
that's on you for this wire.
Don't touch the chat. Don't touch it.
Alright. If I don't see 3 Twitch primes in chat.
Stop!
No, you stay away. If I don't see 3 Twitch primes in chat for Lily's channel, you're getting the wire. I'm gonna give you guys the wire. You have 30 seconds.
My God!
You have 30 seconds, or I'm gonna give you the wire.
Michael, they want the wire.
That's 1, 2. You have 12 seconds, and there it is. Okay, you guys survive another minute until you get a wire check again. Okay?
You're fucked.
You get another few minutes
You're
until I
fucked.
wire check your
You're
ass
fucked.
again. Fucking hostages.
Okay, coding. Wanna learn some codes?
Yeah?
I can learn some codes. I debated you with codes so we can talk about our feelings.
That's okay.
Oh.
You
No,
wanna
I'm
talk about
joking.
feelings?
No, I'm down to learn code.
That's okay.
Let's code and chill.
It seems like you're tired. Yeah, those two things aren't really like major.
No. I'm down to code and chill.
Okay.
Like we can talk about we can go and chill.
Code and chill?
Yeah, code and chill.
That's an interesting combo.
It's like code and chill.
Do you want to write some stuff down? You're gonna learn.
Yes. Do you have a notebook?
I do. I bought you notebooks.
You bought me a notebook.
Yep.
Wow.
You just wait here.
Oh, I don't move.
Wait there.
You can get the comfy chair because I love you.
I bought you a bunch so you can take your pick for which one you
Oh
like.
my
the
God,
color.
college ruled notebooks.
Yeah, for whichever one you like the color of more.
I'll take the. No, yellow's your favorite color.
Well, it's your favorite.
So I'm gonna
Choose
pick
your
yellow.
favorite. Okay, it matches your shirt.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, we're like doing this. All right.
Yeah, you get a
Okay.
notebook.
You want to move the piano a little that way so we don't have more space. Let me get a pen. I got a pen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm ready to learn.
All right. Remember, you got it. Last time was a real bad.
I wasn't very.
horrible.
I wasn't a
yeah,
good,
you did.
I wasn't a
yeah,
good student.
you did horrible.
Do you want to learn music theory? Just kidding. Cool.
It's just circle of fifths. That's all it is.
No, it's not.
It's just circle of fifths.
No, it's
circle
not.
of sixths.
No, it's not.
What about the circle of fourths? Has anyone thought about that one?
You're so cute.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready to learn.
Okay.
I will learn.
We're gonna
Wait,
start
Hold on. What are you doing?
Oh, so I'm gonna.
What are you doing?
Okay.
You tell me what you're doing first.
So we're gonna go to a site that has kind of their own guide, but we're just gonna skim along just so I
you
make
want
sure we're
me
not
to
losing anything.
put this on the stream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me know before.
Okay. Fuck you.
Ooh, look at that.
Nice.
I'm a professional streamer. Ooh.
How'd you window capture Chrome? Isn't it hard to do that?
Oh. Bruce Mario. Where's the notifs? Okay, over there. Okay, I'm really confused because I only have one scene.
Yeah, one scene. That really sucks.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Go!
Okay,
Ready.
so we're gonna go. Well, also, we're gonna.
Wait, one more thing.
Right.
Sorry, what are you doing?
We're opening up VS Code.
Okay, but you need to show that too. Okay, all right.
hopefully
I got a
both.
really good idea.
I mean,
idea,
ideally
Michael.
both.
Okay, yeah. Okay, you need to chill a little bit, okay?
Right? You could just window capture or display capture.
Okay. Hold on, display captures. You tell the truth. I don't know what to want.
Brilliant.
Is that good?
Yeah. You're brilliant.
I'm brilliant.
You're brilliant.
I'm brilliant. Okay, I'm gonna make that a little smaller. Let's make it. Alright. I'm right. Okay, wait. Hold on. Just give me a minute, okay? Put that over there. And then put the chat over here. Like over here. Okay?
Brilliant.
Okay.
Brilliant.
I'm ready. I'm ready to learn.
Okay. We're gonna open you a new file here.
Okay?
And I'll just drag this over here and we'll open our own little folder called Lily Code Practice. This is where we were before.
Okay.
You remember this stuff?
I do remember this, yes.
Yeah, we'll just
do.
take that and we're gonna get rid of that stuff and now we're gonna start back to basics.
Let's go
Alright.
back.
Yeah,
to
I don't know
the
that song,
beginning. Okay.
but we're gonna say Python W3 schools. So up until now, I've been teaching you with my words.
Yes.
And I've been
I do love
covering.
your words.
Yeah, I've been jutting around subjects, kind of here and there,
Yes.
thinking it would work. It has not been working. It's like
Okay,
the
can I
glue
hit-
is not drying
interject
to the
though?
to the to the to
Okay.
the material of your brain.
You say that, but
right?
like certain things have stuck.
Okay, show me. Let's just actually. This is a good idea. Let's just show what like you remember. Just general concepts. You don't even have to like put them in a practice.
Okay, go back to the W3 site.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, go on.
Well, first just show.
Okay,
me.
what were you gonna show me?
I was gonna give you a back to basics, but
Okay,
let's
okay, let's go
so
back to
that
go back to
I don't make any unnecessary moves. We should know what
I
you already
think-
know.
I know a lot, but you should still do it anyway, just in case.
Okay. Here we go. It's called W3 Schools.
Okay.
It's a really good resource.
Yeah, got it.
For look at this. We start at the beginning.
I know that one.
We have Hello World.
Hello World. I didn't.
Jeez,
I know
where
that
do they
one.
start? Fucking Hello World. You know what? Look at that. You got your Hello World stuff. God, I never really followed these, but maybe this is good for you. Maybe text, because you read fast and you listen like shit. Maybe W3 Schools is
Gotta
good for you.
interject here. I do
maybe
listen to you. Okay.
Maybe looking is
I
better
listen to
than
you, but
maybe looking
sometimes
is
it
better.
doesn't sync.
Yeah, right. So maybe reading instead is better. So look, this is a bunch of backstory on Python. It's really
Okay.
it's a cool thing.
Okay.
Right. You have your Hello World. Okay, this is installing Python. This is a really good site. Execute Python syntax, whatever, don't worry. We're not worrying about that. Python indentations. You remember if statements, yes? You remember ifs? Don't worry,
Yes.
we'll get to it later on.
Okay.
So let's just go to, we'll follow along loosely with this and I'll explain in anything that the tutorial's not
Yeah,
going
I got
right?
it. Don't worry.
It's like creating comments. You put a little hashtag, and you can write anything.
Yes, I do remember
So
this.
you remember what your code is doing. All right. So now we're on a big example. This is huge, massive, right?
Yes.
Let's check this out. This is creating variables.
I'm writing notes.
It's very good. I like that note.
Okay.
So this is creating variables, right?
Yes.
So variables are kind of like our buckets, right? Or baskets. And baskets can have different things inside of them. Call one like basket A. And you can have different values. Oh, what is that inside of basket A? Oh, it's the number 5. Oh, now what do I want to put in basket A? Oh, it's a string of characters, also known as a string, like text, right? That says my name Lily, right? You can, what else is in my basket? So only, variables hold value, right? Okay. So you can look at this example. Okay? You can assign a variable a number, assign a variable a string.
Yes.
Right? And a variable can be pretty much any name you want.
Okay.
So in Python,
Yes.
you can actually assign a variable to one data type.
Okay.
You can assign a variable to one data type and then assign it to another data type. And I mean, in other languages you can't do this, which is so it's cool. So it's like here, x is a number, and then here, x is a string. It's not really something. Don't worry about that too much.
What does print x make then?
What does print x do?
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, look at. Okay, so let's talk about doing the site. Here you go. Click the try it yourself button. Let's get a little into it.
Okay. Try yourself.
And you got like an interactive editor, and there you go.
Why does it print Sally and not 4?
So okay, very good question. So we gotta understand how a Python program executes.
Okay.
It's just like English, which you are good at. So you should understand this. It's left to right, bottom to top, top to bottom. You know, just like you read from this.
Don't read my notes.
Okay,
It's really embarrassing.
they're really cute notes.
Okay.
I like it. I like the doodles, too,
Okay.
to help you. Okay, so it's just like.
So it ran x equals 4, and then it ran x equals Sally.
Yes, so that said, okay, so this first line, program starts. We'll say execution starts. It says, okay, my variable x is declared, and it is assigned 4.
But
We'll
now,
go to
and then
the-
it's assigned Sally.
Yeah, we'll go to the next one and we say, okay, we have this variable x
I
that
understand.
has already been declared. Yeah.
I understand.
And we just say, now it's equal to Sally. And so we don't even give a shit about the 4, right? So this shows that you can reassign variables. Now, keep in mind, you won't usually be swapping between types of variables like this. It's usually not going from a number to a string. It's usually going from like a number to another number.
Got it.
So like you can assign it 4, and then you can say like 4 times 10, and then we'll run that, and then
That's 40.
then now the value of x is 40, and it doesn't really. We could maybe like do another number to like, but whatever. You get the
I understand.
Yeah, you get the idea. So this is cool. You can do those little interactive
Yes,
editors.
I get it. I get it.
Right. Hello. Hello. Can you just... Hello. Sounds good. Thank you. Okay. Perfect.
Two breeds.
It is that. Okay. And if you get through some parts, then I'll give you food.
But I thought we were gonna eat.
So, here we go.
I haven't eaten all.
Right, so string variables, blah, 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 but it's double or single. Oh, yeah, so this is cool. You can use double quotes, and you can use single quotes.
Okay.
Pretty much the only time you care to use double quotes, because it's just easier on the keyboard to type the single,
Okay.
is if you have, let's say print, caps lock, print, piss. Actually, I think this is true. So here we're going to print the string piss. But what if we want to have some quotes inside? I'm going to do that, right? That'll work, right? If you want to have single quotes inside of the string. So the double quotes show that you can have single quotes. It's pretty much just, most of the time, you're going to be using good old
Just quotes.
single quotes.
I understand.
Single quotes, yeah,
Yes,
right.
I got it.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so John, blah, 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 variable names. So, I mean, you can just read whatever. It's good to name your variables like things that help you. Things that they correspond to, right?
Okay.
Because in the real world, when you're programming, you're not doing stuff like X and I. It's going to be stuff like, I don't know, weight and volume. So it's best to like name your variables accordingly to what they represent, right? Because it's a basket, right? And so the variables
Basket.
describe what the basket represents.
Got it.
So,
I understand.
Must start with a letter, blah, blah, blah. Cannot start with a number. These are just like syntax things. More descriptive names. Something about nouns also. It's good to keep them nouns. Let's say assign value to multiple variables. Okay, that's something you can do. You aren't going to be doing that a whole lot, to be honest. But just keep in mind that's something you can do. Yeah. I'll rate the importance. How about this? I'll rate every time we get to a new one of these blocks. I'll rate the importance of it from 1 to 10. All right. The importance of this is about a 3.5. Okay. Importance score. Yeah. Good job. You're doing a good job of taking notes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you can assume the same value multiple variables online. Okay, so this makes all of the values orange. I would rate this fucking 1 or 2.
Okay.
Output variables, print statements, often used, blah, blah, blah. You can, so to concatenate text or put text together, you use a plus sign. I would rate this highly. This is good, very good to know.
Very good.
Very good to know.
You print. Wait. What?
So, no, not print, but to combine strings, you use the plus sign. It's like welding two strings together. Right? So here we have the variable x given the value awesome.
Okay.
And then another string that is not in a variable, but it's a string all the same.
Python is awesome.
Yeah, and so it's also probably good to know that, here, let's see this, is Python is. Let's do that, and then instead of this, we'll say plus y. And that's I think this is a bit of a better example. Yeah, whatever.
Did I do it right?
Awesome Python is. Awesome. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You have a mix of double and single quotes, but it's okay. It's fine. This will work totally fine. So don't even worry about it. Awesome Python is. So you can add strings together to just make it. The result is just one new bigger string, right? Oh, sorry. And the order does matter, right? So whichever string is first will be the start. Good doodles. Nice doodles. Okay, Python, blah, blah, blah. Use a plus character. Okay, maybe this is better for you. For numbers, plus is math. This is 10 out of 10 important. Plus is plus, just like
plus
in math class.
Plus in math.
Yeah, same shit for numbers, right?
Numbers.
So the plus sign acts differently based on what kind of variables you're doing.
Yes, I understand.
Right, okay.
Combined strings is also a plus, but if it's with numbers, it's a math thing.
Right, it's a
Got
math
it.
thing.
I
So
understand.
these, you get this, the result would be
15.
15.
Got it.
Exactly. Okay,
I understand.
perfect. Now this, we're trying to add the number 5 to the string
How does that work?
John. All right,
That doesn't work.
Yeah, exactly.
error.
Yeah, it is an error.
It does not work. It's not going to work.
You cannot do that at all.
I understand.
But if we said, I'm going to turn my 5,
Then it's just
my
5
number.
John.
Yes, exactly. 5 John. Wow, they really didn't. 5 John.
Got it.
Global variables. These are, function. Okay, we don't really know what function is. I have no fucking idea why they would mention that. That's weird. I don't think this is a very good ordering of this tutorial. We're gonna skip this right now. That is my description. That's stupid. That's dumb. Data types. Okay, so we've seen that's Temmie sitting by a fire.
Look, it's Gentleman Timmy.
Right.
She's drinking
Right.
tea.
Yes, right.
Okay, sorry.
No, that's good. That's a very nice picture.
Thank you.
So you've been, so far we've got numbers, we've got strings, right? So it's like, wow, what other thing can we put in the basket that is variables?
Okay.
It's all these fucking things and more. But these are the built-in data types. You can even make your own of these. You can make your own. But this is what's built in and available in Python. It's overwhelming at first. Don't dare try to write them all down because it's annoying. Don't do it. Don't worry.
I won't do it.
Don't worry. Just know a variable can be any kind of thing. We have str, string. Don't worry about that. You have your number types. I don't even know what a complex numeric type is. There's all kinds of, like, I don't know what you would call them. They call them sequence types. It's kind of a weird word, but mapping types, I like that. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about, okay, you did write them all down, but that's good. That's good. I like how committed you are to this. So So you can get the type of the variable. This is really useful, actually. So the type keyword or function here, if you have a variable, this happens kind of often in Python because it's loosely typed. Sometimes you'll have a variable and you'd be like, I don't even know what the type of this variable is. So what you do is you say, you say type, and then inside you pass it in your parentheses, you pass it the variable you want to know about. So I say, what is the type of X here? And I run it, and it says it is of type integer. Int is short for integer, right? So now I know that X is an integer. Of course, you can see it up here, but like in a situation where you couldn't.
How important is this?
It's good to know. I would call this a 5. Call this a 5.
5, yeah, okay.
It's just good to know here and there, you know. Oh boy. So this is, dude, they actually suck at structuring tutorials. Fuck. Trigger type is set when you assign a value to a variable. So you haven't learned about these yet.
I remember that.
You remember lists, right?
I remember lists. Float is just decimal. Integer is just numbers.
Exactly.
String is a string.
Right.
I don't know what a complex is.
Don't worry about complex. I don't even know what a complex
Range
is.
is something.
Range is its own thing. Don't worry.
Set and a list. What's the difference?
So actually, that's interesting. You don't use sets a lot, but sets are special for a couple of reasons. I remember one of them is, you don't have to write this down. You probably will never use a set like in the near future, and you're writing it down. A set is just like a list, but it can never have repeats of the same variable. Okay. And also, I think it auto orders. Python set vs list. So this one too. That's another standard. Python did talk about the major differences. Sets, unlike those, cannot have multiple occurrences, right? So if you try to add multiple occurrences to a set, like say you have a set that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if you try to add 3, which is already in there, it just won't even fucking add to the set.
Okay.
It's not super useful. There's also another thing. I think they're always ordered somehow. Sets are ordered in Python. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're always ordered. So you don't really have to worry about that. Big ones. The big boys, your integer, pretty much everything you know. Integer, string, float, lists, very important.
List important.
List, very important. Boolean, extremely important. That's
bool.
Right? Only true or false. That's only true and false are the only values bool can have. Whereas dictionaries are cool. They're like lists, but I feel like we should get to them okay, so Python will have a tutorial for that as well. Dictionaries are cool. Tuples are cool as well. So we'll get into let's talk. Let's get a little more into the weeds about numbers. Yes, Lily.
When can I eat? When's lunch?
Lunch comes at the end of Python Booleans.
Okay.
Tutorial. Okay. Variables numeric types are created when you assign a value to them, right? We understand this. You can view your type here. We already went over that. Ints or integers, whole number, positive or negative. You get that.
Okay.
Without decimals, of unlimited length, sort of. You understand all of this, right? Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. That's so cool. You can use scientific notation, I guess.
That's a complex thing.
I guess. That's...
Because...
Oh, wait, no, this is float. These are float.
But what about the one above it?
This is also...
No. Wait, all of them are floats?
No. So this is an int when it's a whole number.
Okay.
This is a float.
Okay.
I think because this is scientific notation, it'll just, like, explode this into a large float. I think here is complex.
Got it.
I have no fucking idea what J and shit do. Or imaginary. I don't even understand imaginary numbers in
imaginary.
No. Not important at all. Don't even think about it.
Okay. Don't think.
Good.
About.
Good.
Imaginary stuff. I'm gonna draw a unicorn here.
Yeah. Good job. So this is a pretty important part, and that is converting converting types of numbers to other types of numbers.
Converting types of numbers to other types of numbers. Okay?
So you can convert from an integer into a float if something is calling for that. The thing you would worry about is converting like a float to an int. You can like round, say it's a decimal, and it's like 2.5. And you can round either up to 3 or down to 2 if you want to convert it to an int. Because it's a float, it has data that cannot go to an integer, so you need to estimate one way or the other.
Okay.
So if you had like, let's say my float is equal to that. What is it? Math. That's how do you? Let's see. Python round. Okay. Round. Okay, so you can round like a number to. I guess you can also do to int. So print the int conversion of my float. I don't know what this will do. Okay, so it'll automatically round down when you convert to an int.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, are you bored?
No, I'm just really hungry. But I will stay.
So you can get food.
Yes.
Right.
So I can eat.
Yeah. Man, this doesn't have a lot of like useful.
You round.
You can round, you can convert between number types.
Okay,
got
you convert number types.
Can convert between number types.
Yes,
right.
okay.
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 You can make random numbers, which is cool. Okay. This is cool. You can generate random numbers.
Generate random
Let's
numbers.
just pretend they're fully random. And this is also a cool another thing. So let's just try to do this part where you say, let me get random.randRange.
What's rand range?
So I think, what rand range does is it gives you a random number anywhere from 1 to 10.
That's the name of it? Rand range?
Yeah, so it's random dot rand range, like random range.
Oh.
They just shorten it.
Okay.
Whatever, 1 to 9, because the upper bound's not inclusive.
Okay.
So, come in here and now do that. Use your notes, the power of your notes.
I just wrote the exact same thing I saw.
That's fine, just do that.
That? Then something to something?
Yeah, whatever. Actually, just put in whatever numbers you want.
Like
cool.
that?
And now save it and run it.
How do I run it?
F5 and then enter.
F5 and then enter.
Okay, that's important. That's important. This is showing you another important thing, which is importing modules. A lot of the time, you're not going to be writing every single bit of code that you're using. Like, say you want to make a call to like Twitch's API. You're not going to like know exactly how Twitch works, right?
Uh-huh.
You don't know how Twitch works, but you can import someone else's code to help you work with it, right?
Okay.
And you don't have to specifically know how. So
I have to import stuff.
the way we import other people's code or modules of code
Okay.
is we say import and then the name of the module. For this one, it's just going to be import the random module, and usually it'll autocomplete for you in here if you have it installed.
I understand.
And then you import random, and you can run it again.
And then you run it.
And then bing bang boom, 25.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's cool. It's cool doing random numbers. Look at that. That one was 25. Now it's 47. Now it's fucking 41.
Okay.
Sick, right? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, random numbers. This is stupid. Specifying a variable type. Oh, that's whatever. This is not really important.
I understand string.
You do understand strings pretty damn
I understand
well. Assign a
that.
string to a variable. Okay, this is how you make a string multiple lines
Okay.
with 3 quotation marks.
Why 3 quotation marks?
It's because it's multi-line. So if you tried to do a
So if it's 4 line, it's 4 quotation marks?
no. Just to do any multiple lines, because if you try to do this, a gamer, it gets fucky. See how those aren't highlighted?
Okay.
But here, if we do this, then the whole thing is a string. I would rate this a 1.5 for usefulness. You rarely are doing this.
Got
Don't
it.
even worry about it. Strings are arrays. Strings are okay. This is a fun, important thing. This is cool.
Strings are
Array.
arrays.
So think of every string you see. My string is equal to poggers. Think of every string you see as just an array of characters.
Okay.
So this string is an array of characters. At index 0, it's poggers. At index 2, it's O. Or at index 1, it's O. So these are an indexable data type.
Indexable data
Right.
type.
So if I say this, and the way we index things is we say the name of the thing we're trying to index, and then we do our square brackets.
Okay.
And then in the square brackets, it's okay, you can write down, I'll give you time to write.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So, and then we put in our index number.
Okay.
So we index starting from 0, and that 0 corresponds to the first element of a collection.
Okay.
So if I ran this, it's gonna print out P, because when we index 0, it goes to the first element. It's P. So what happens? This code breaks down to, it says, okay, go into my string, give me the first first letter, and then return it back to me. So the highlighted portion here resolves to the letter P.
Okay.
Okay? And so now give me the letter E.
E.
Poggers. Good job.
Poggers.
Good job.
Thank you.
That's a good job. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so this is a little more cool and complex.
What the hell is that?
Okay.
Print get the characters from position 2 to position 5?
Yeah. So instead of going just one, you know how we're just getting one character back? You can get multiple. So if we want to go
So
2 to 4, or
it gives you
technically
2 and
2 to
4?
3. It'll give you everything in the range between them.
Oh,
Yeah, and
I
the
understand.
top one is not inclusive.
I understand.
Right. It's like a little more advanced of an indexing.
Got it.
That one I rate a 6.5.
Okay.
Just the indexing by itself is a 10. That's a
Indexing 10.
indexing 10. Super important. Just by like one
So
number.
indexing is just like where things are?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's just you give it the position of the one you want.
Okay.
Think of it as looking for an element, looking for something in a collection of things, and the index is just telling it where it is in that collection.
Okay.
Negative indexing. Okay, don't even
What's
worry.
negative
Don't even
index?
fucking worry about it. The only kind of cool thing about this is if you want to get the last character in a given string,
-1.
you do -1, and that'll say,
Give you-
okay, I'll go from the beginning all the way to the end.
Got it.
This is also really important to know. So if I try to index the 10th element, it's gonna say, uh-oh, stinky,
Because there's no 10.
there's no 10th.
Got it.
It is too small.
Got it.
So, length. Oh, this is really cool. So, if you wanted the length of like how many like the count of elements in a collection, you say a length. You type out LEN, short for length, and you pass it in the collection you want to figure out the length of. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
So try that out. Give me the length of my string. Right. Yeah.
7. Okay.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a great job. String method. That I would rate like a 7.
Oh, really? Okay.
Pretty important
Length?
to know your length of your elements.
Got it.
Because not only can you do the length of a string, you can get the length of a list. Yeah,
Oh.
of anything. Yeah,
Okay.
of anything. Really, pretty much.
Okay.
You can't get like the length of numbers because it's just one number, right?
Yes.
Strip method allows you to this is whatever. That's like whatever. To lower is pretty cool. It'll just convert all up any character to lowercase. So if
What?
we did
Do I ever need that? Why don't you just type it in lowercase to
poggers.
begin with?
So you're not always going to define a string, right? So like the web scripter I made that goes through Craigslist to check listings, if you want to compare strings, it's easier than comparing like just figuring out like, oh, maybe they put an uppercase here, maybe just convert everything to lowercase,
Oh,
right?
I understand.
Right?
I
Okay.
understand. Okay.
Yeah, so you can say my string dot to or dot lower. That will be converted to poggers, add all lowercase. And then same thing for upper. Most people I think use lower. Doesn't really matter. Replace is pretty cool. You kind of get the gist of it.
Replace the H with a J, is that
Yeah,
what-
yeah.
Okay.
We don't even have to go over
Okay.
that. Split is pretty important. Split is pretty cool, I would say. So if we say, let's say this. So split will split a string into a list of like it'll divide it up. Think of it, it's gonna divide it up, and the argument you pass to the split function is where you're gonna divide it up. So if I want to divide, let's think of a better word. Gamers. So if I want to split on, let's say I'm going to split on the space. That'll give us a list. 2 elements, because it splits on the space. It gets rid of the element. That's important to know.
Okay.
So this is a space character in there.
So what if you put like G in there?
Yeah, that's a really good question. I'm stupid for that. Do it. It will break it into more elements because there's a lot of instances of G, right? So
Oh, also aiming, then the space, then the aimers.
Yes, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
yeah, because there's 3 G's in here, so
Got it.
right. It's useful.
Okay.
So string. Oh, this is cool. So checking if there's a substring in a larger string. So it's
Okay.
useful for it to be like, let's using the Craigslist example, we'll say like free shit and a bunch of scrap metal and stuff.
Okay.
You can say my string. Let's see. Let's say is, and let's say we're looking for the word metal. Metal is in my string. It's kind of a weird syntax. We type the substring.
If it was my string, wait, can you like, if you do X equals free shit and bunch of blah blah, can you do metal in X?
Yes.
So
That can be anything, right?
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's call it whatever. And so because the word metal is in there,
It's true.
it gives back true. And if you took out one of these, and it's gonna throw back false.
Cool.
Right?
That's cool.
And what this highlighted portion returns is a Boolean, right? It's just true or false.
Oh, right.
Same as like a variable value of a Boolean. Same shit. Booleans, very important, very epic.
Very epic, very
Interesting syntax. Use the in keyword for that.
Keyword for that.
Yeah. So think of it in your head when you see Boolean expressions. Think this is always going to boil down to true or false.
Yes.
It makes it so much easier to think
Boolean
that.
is always true and false.
Always true and false. And if you have this, like an in or your double equals or your like greater than, think that this is gonna get crunched down to true or false because it can only be one of the two values.
Okay.
That's gonna get crunched down. You can use Booleans for all kinds of things.
Okay.
Blah blah blah. Example is not in text. Oh yeah.
How come they say it differently?
What? What do you mean?
Wait, hold on. Go back to the thing. Never mind, I don't get it.
What don't you get?
Never mind, I get it.
Do you?
I don't even know what I was talking about.
Do you understand,
I understand.
where we are so far?
I understand.
Okay. You can also reverse it here. Let's just not go over it.
Okay.
We already went over that, which is weird. String format, blah, blah, blah. We went over all of this, right?
Okay.
Method. This is nice, but you don't need it yet. Example, murder, escape characters. Oh, let's just go over that later. If you want to put quotes in a string, you need to use a different character. It's kind of important, but you don't really have to worry about it. If you want to put quotes like in a string, so if you do that normally, and you say like x is equal to my hiss, right? In your brain, you're thinking like
It has to be this?
yeah, and then right, but it needs to be
Inside too?
so.
What?
You think of I know.
Why is it like that,
know.
and then like
Think of this.
all as one thing?
Yeah, as one thing. Yeah.
Okay.
And that only happens inside of strings.
Got it.
Then you get.
Inside
oh, I didn't print
strings.
it. Yeah.
Yes, okay, got
Do
it.
not really worry about these yet. There's a lot of random string methods. So we just went over some of the most useful ones. They are fucking plentiful. Lots of stuff.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, now we're on Booleans.
Okay.
This is so cool.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I don't know if they're cool. They're like important.
Okay.
And like we were talking about, Booleans, just true or false
Yes.
is what they break down to. So, yeah, this is easy. 10 is greater than 9. So this expression,
It's true.
yeah, always think of them like when you see these Boolean operators is what they're called. A true or false,
So
sorry.
the first one is always true.
The first one would always be true, and then these would be false and false, right?
Okay.
So every time you see one of these guys, a greater than sign, a less than, an equal sign,
Yeah.
always think of those and the things around it that they're comparing as crunching down to a little thing that is only true or false. It makes it so much easier to think like that.
Okay.
All right. Because they get a little more complicated.
Okay.
So print a message, basically, blah, blah, blah. So we have our if. You remember if and at all?
else.
So does this make any like?
It makes sense, yeah.
Okay. So what would this print out?
B is not greater than A.
Okay. Alright, values variables. The bool function allows you to evaluate any value given true or false in return. This is don't worry about that. Example, evaluate two variables. Don't worry about that. What? Almost any value is evaluated as true if it is. Oh, right. That's called truthiness.
What?
Don't worry about
Okay.
truthiness.
Okay.
Yet. Some values are false. Shut up. Functions can return a boolean. That's very cool. But we haven't gone over functions, so I don't really know why they mentioned that.
My function.
My function. Examples. Instance. Blah blah blah.
What?
Check your experience. Okay. Cool. What else is there? There's operators. Right. These are like math operators and stuff. But I said when we got past booleans,
We
you
get to eat?
Yeah, we get to eat.
Oh, thank God.
You took some good notes, honey.
I did.
You took some great
I'm
notes.
gonna show Chad my favorite
Yeah.
note.
I'm gonna get the food.
I get to eat now. Oh, my head hurts.
Okay. Katsudon. Boom. Okonomiyaki. AKA cabbage pancakes. It really is.
Coffee?
UCC.
You're
Coffee.
drinking coffee?
I like coffee.
Ooh.
Every time a place has UCC coffee.
I can show all of it, sorry.
Oh, shit.
Oh, did you just get a splinter? Oh!
Oh, it's in there.
Oh!
Oh.
How did that happen?
Well, I really rammed it with my hand.
He got a splinter from the chopstick. If I split this evenly, I'll have good luck. Good luck. Are you okay, Michael? I'm not full screening because we're still doing code. Don't spam. Don't spam, we'll be angry.
What happened?
Nothing.
What's up?
Nothing. Are you gonna code and eat? Or
Yeah.
do you just want to eat?
You can look at math operators while we eat.
You know what?
Math operators.
Okay. What's
Do you wanna eat?
exponentiation? Yeah.
What do you want?
That's exponentiation.
It's like, you know, how you have your exponents and shit.
What's that?
So like to the power of 2.
Oh, no, you can have my good luck chopsticks.
No.
Second good luck. Pog. Wait, but then they have to like hear us eat. This microphone's pretty sensitive.
They can listen to me.
Do you want to watch a
fucking eat.
video or something while we like
No.
while we eat?
No.
Okay. Want to watch the new OTV and Friends video?
Sure.
I need something to watch. But that's 20 hours ago. Alright,
haven't
I'm
seen it
muting
already?
I'm muting the mic so you don't hear us eat. Introducing legal.
I think Leslie's trying to build up trust, so she knows we won't vote for each other. All right, we'll try it, Leslie. We'll try it. Okay. Seems very innocent. Let's go to the right. She messed up! She messed up, but I don't have a button. Oh no! Oh no! 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 I don't have a button! Oh no! She messed up her move. Oh no! I didn't have a button.
Oh my god, Maya, don't go that way, don't go that way, you're gonna see the body, you're gonna see the body!
Yeah, no, I'm right here. Honey, I'm right here. Honey, I'm right here.
Fine.
Oh, I... Ah, damn. Oh. You left me to die. You left me to die. Hi.
No, that's it.
No,
I'm latching onto Arya
come
from
here.
now on.
Come back.
Goodbye, Fizz.
Okay, I'm... Okay. Did you hear that? That was the sound of me locking my door.
Oh, hell no. Jay, please clear me up, please clear. Okay, Peter's behind.
Jay, take me instead, bitch! Take me instead, Jay! Take me instead, motherfucker! You know you wanna kill me! Jay, your music sucks! Hey, Jay, your music fucking sucks! Your music sucks, Jay! Your music sucks, Jay! Ah!
I got it. Oh my god, this is supposed to be an indestructible toy. He already chewed through it. Apparently this makes like a squeak that human beings can't hear, but like dogs can hear. Can you hear it? Oh. Okay, that's a squeak that... Okay.
Okay, so Fischl has like this bird. Oh my god, why did she sound like a dude for a second? Who is that? Is that the bird? Dude, the bird sounds hot. This bird, attractive. Okay. Who is it? Is that the bird? It's freaking hot.
I bet.
That was scary.
Oh, Ray's dead. Okay.
I have found Ray's
Oh, it's
dead
Pokey and Toad.
body in the entrance. to
Ray
the
likes
lab.
being called homie, right?
Can I ask someone a question real quick?
Yes.
Toast,
What's
where are you
cooking?
Storage.
This is what I think Ray would think it's funny, right?
Storage.
Or something.
Yeah.
Are you claiming
No?
you're doing a task, Toast? Because that seems suspicious.
I just opened her
The
stream.
only time I saw you
She's
was
cringing.
the right side. What were you doing?
I
I
was
saw
heading...
Jay go right.
Wait, Peter came from the
Oh,
right
this
side?
is awkward.
Wait, no.
Can I ask
I actually did not come from the right side.
Yeah, American internet sucks.
Yeah, you're right. I think my internet in my area was just really bad.
You lived in, like, budget Canada.
Budget?
Wait, isn't he from fucking...
Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy
in
shit!
Canada, there's only Ontario and BC. That's
Whoa!
Everything else
Whoa!
You're from budget
Hold
Canada.
on.
Wait, I thought you grew up where Drake grew up, didn't you?
No,
Wait.
Janet's from where Jake's from.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Where are you from?
From Vancouver. I am BC.
Oh, so you're a loser. Okay, she's actually right.
And then this one. Please be from big to small. Please be from big to... I did it, I think. I did it, I think. Goddamn.
They claim my daily gym. Yeah, I claim. I didn't even go. Wait. Did I? They didn't even spell battle correctly. What the fuck? This game makes $100 million in 2 weeks, and then they'll have an intern that could spell check the global mail? That's how you spell it in Chinese, please.
Sneak peek. If there was a song. That was a sneak peek. That was it. That's all you.
I grew up here. I didn't know that we were poor. We just felt like every other family on the block. I remember being on food stamps.
You get.
Wouldn't gliding be faster?
Are you push to talking?
I was for that. I was just gonna ask you if you want me not to. Hold on, let me take it off. Who am I in a call with? Honestly, I don't know who this guy is. I really wish. Oh shit! I forgot I wasn't pushed to talk. I wish someone would fucking tell me, man. I don't know him.
How much do you love Foosley? Leslie is one of my best friends. I also would die for Leslie, straight up. She's a wonderful person. I owe her so much for like pretty much everything I have in terms of like my career, and
Please, Peter.
I could do stuff, or how do I explain this? I could spend every day showing gratitude to her, and it wouldn't be enough to show like how much, to reciprocate how much she's done for me. So, in short, I fucking hate Lizzie. She sucks. She's garbanzo beans.
I hate you more.
I'm kidding.
I hate you, Peter.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. No way.
What happened?
No way you're that.
No way.
Spill the tea.
Broden and I baited 5 up on a stack.
No.
So-
Oh, you guys did the thing.
So yeah, Broden and I were on Medscan stack. Tina and Saikuno left, and 5 up snacks Broden's neck.
Wait,
Oh,
like
wait.
you were stacked exactly on top of like the.
Five up. What
Yeah, Broden and I
happened?
were stacked on top of each other.
I just got out of decontam, so I think he may have killed as I walk in there, and I'm like checking on medbay.
No. I can recognize that cum sock on anyone's head. That is definitely you.
Hold on a second.
I can recognize that cum sock on anyone's head. That is definitely 5 up. And the name.
We saw your vibrator, so it's okay. You must be mistaking me for someone else. All I know is that that didn't happen to me. Or anyone I know for that matter. Kimmy doesn't use a vibrator, she uses something else. Yeah, I use a real fucking dick.
So grumpy, sleeping in me, just stay comfy. Once everything's said and done, oh no, I'll overcome. I'm hoping, I'm coping, I'm here. I remember last year when I was alone in my bed with all these thoughts. Oh, for the lyrics. Let me look it up. Oh shit, inside. I froze! Keeping all to myself. Oh shit, I froze! Guys, I froze! How do I fix this? It's all late.
Danny. Danny.
This guy dumb as fuck. I'm gonna yell. What the fuck? This guy's stupid.
Oh.
Okay, I don't think I can get this. Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. I got lost.
Please don't Ben kill me. Please don't Ben kill me. Please don't Ben kill me. I hate.
Hi, Celine.
Hi. You know, like.
Celine, come back. Come back.
No,
Come back. Come back.
Does the flashlight do anything?
Yeah, it makes me prettier.
I see.
I flashlighted your eyes! That's what the tutorial said!
Ah, fuck. Ascar, do this. Lozzie. Brender. Adios. King Sketch for the 5 months. Oh, and Lozzie for the 5 months as well. I touch dolphins.
We all are furries. All of us are furries. I am a furry.
Got it. Done.
Oh,
Done.
you did it?
Done.
Okay.
Going. Good. Unmuted and
Hello, everyone. We're back. We were eating and we didn't want you to hear the nasty.
I don't care.
Oh, this hurts. I should have played an ad.
True.
Should I do it now? I'll put one now.
An ad? Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put one.
Oh, did you already play it?
Mhm.
Oh shit, that was fast.
I
God,
like
you're
it.
so quick with it now. Nice. Good ad time. Bonk.
Is it good?
It's really good. I was really hungry.
I was really hungry too.
Yeah.
Take your time, honey. No, take your time. Don't. No. I knew you were gonna do that when I said take your time. You're so. Michael, you're gonna choke. Stop.
I hope I do.
Michael, can you chill? Chill. Oh my God. You're gonna.
Oof. One ad?
Ah.
Oh. Are you not getting ads? Maybe it's because you're subscribed to Lilypichu with your Twitch Prime sub.
Honey, can you
Maybe it's because you have Twitch Prime sub to her.
Honey, please stop talking. Please stop
Oh,
talking.
just like Moonbeams and Knack.
Please stop. Please stop. Ah, this bird. Ah. I have a pimple here. Can I pop it?
No. You're not supposed to pop pimples.
I'll bite it.
The juicy gusher.
It's like gushers.
Yeah, it's like gushers. Poggers.
Poggers. It's so Oops. Are you done?
I'm still eating it.
Okay. Can I play piano while you eat?
Oh, yeah. Trade seats?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Play piano while you eat. Oh no, you're gonna... It's gonna buzz, honey, if you touch it too much. You can eat now.
This is Rembrandt's Prelude number 5, oversound of Eaten Katsu. one's for you.
Are you still eating on the...
That was quite pogger.
You're quite poggers.
I think it's been 3 minutes, right?
Yeah. Okay, back to...
Are you tired?
A little bit, but I'm down to learn more.
You don't have to.
Or I can just
If
chill,
you want, we
chill.
can end the lesson.
Huh?
If you want, we can just end the lesson, and then we can do more later. You've been streaming for a while, right?
Yeah, 8 hours.
That's a lot of hours. What?
I think I'm losing
Brain
cells. I don't think there are any. Is it time
For what?
for Lily's music lesson?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We don't know.
Yeah, you can do it.
Are you done?
You can do a music theory lesson.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Are you punishing me? Is this the price I pay for all my past mistakes? Can we just chill a little bit? I learned a lot today. I actually paid attention. Did you
Yeah.
see? I was like legit paying attention
Notes,
today.
yeah.
I was taking notes and everything. Did you see the
I'm
notes?
excited to see how you put it into practice.
Okay, I can put it into practice now if you want.
Can you?
You want to test me? Sure. Hold on. Da 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 da.
We didn't learn that.
You okay. I'm ready. Test me, Mr. Reeves. Is this an open notebook test? Or we can use our notes?
Let's keep it closed for now. And then...
Can I study a little bit?
Yeah. Study up for the test.
Okay.
We didn't even learn that much.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
I crammed.
Okay.
Mr. Reeves.
Make me a string. Make me a string and assign it to a variable of your choosing name. Choose any name you want for the variable. Make a variable.
Isn't that
make
just
it a
my string?
You can name it anything.
My
You don't-
string.
You don't have to name it my string. You can name it whatever you want.
Equals Michael is cool. That's my string.
Okay. You can hit Control S.
I'm so sorry.
Control S.
Control S?
And we will save it.
Okay, Michael is cool.
That wasn't right. So you didn't listen to me. And we will go into our, I think it was documents, and this is Lily's code practice. Right. And so we can take that. Cut. Paste. Bam.
Okay,
Control save.
got it.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
I want you to print out the third letter in that string.
Yes, yes. Print. my string.
Good. That's the thing you want to take from.
Bracket.
Bracket.
2!
Oh! 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 Oh!
Did I do it? Did I do it?
Yeah, that was Coggers.
Okay, cool.
Yay! Okay. Now I'm gonna hit you with some. No,
Okay.
don't delete.
Oh,
anything
sorry,
yet.
I'm not deleting anything.
We're
Yes.
chilling.
Okay,
We're
okay,
chilling.
okay. I'm ready.
Now,
I'm ready. I'm ready.
how about
Okay.
I want you to split up that string.
Split it up.
Split that string up on every space.
Yes. Yes.
Right? Yes. 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 Yes.
Oh,
yes.
can you throw this out for me? Sorry. So I just want garbage in here, cause bugs and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ow! Oh my god! I can't even read my notes because my handwriting's too shit. I can't even read them.
How would we split a string?
Am I on the right track?
Yeah, very much so.
To split it.
To split a string.
Oh fuck, I don't remember.
How would we split a string?
Oh, you split it.
Crazy.
Is this right?
Yeah.
And then this?
Right.
And then
And what do you want to split it on?
the space.
Right.
And then I close it.
Right.
Then
You did it, and then you did it.
I just did
And
it.
then you just did it. And then now, you know what? I won't even test you on that. This is a little hard. But since this gives you back a list, you can even index on this. You can say 0, or you can say, let's say 1. And look at that. It just gives you back is, right? Because that, see, it's really hard to see. It's kind of hard to picture here. Let's just focus on this for now. It's hard to picture here, but what happens is this turns into a list, right? And then we say, okay, I want the index of that list.
Okay.
Right? So it's this, what we write here is the same as saying, split up string. So this is just a variable name. And then saying split up string, and then indexing that, right? It's the same thing. It was just all done on one line.
Oh.
Okay. So you can index anything that's indexable, and there's a lot of indexable things like strings, lists, tuples, and shit. So that's very cool.
Okay.
Now, what I would like you to do now.
I can't. I don't want to study hard enough. Okay.
Now, I want you. Let's delete this. Now I want you to print out a random number.
Oh, yes. Well, first I'll delete these, right?
You know what? Leave that.
Oh. Okay. You import
Yeah.
random.
Nice. Exactly.
And then.
Now you have access to random.
Yes, and then you print. No.
Oh, well, I mean, if you're looking to print something.
Oh, well, I'm
then
not
you're-
printing.
No, you are looking to print something.
Oh, so I am printing.
I want you to print out a random number.
I'm printing out a random dot rand range of
Nice.
0 through 2 through 100.
Sure, if you want that to be arranged.
And okay.
So here's
What?
the thing: is that normal? Is saying print is equal?
Oh,
to
no, wait, why
normal?
did it equal? I didn't mean equal. That was a mistake.
Okay.
And this
Put that over.
here, and then print that. 64.
Look at that. Now run it again.
Run it again?
Run it again.
Wait, hold on. First.
Oh, turns it. Okay. Now run it again. Go ahead.
Okay.
Now, let's take this, and this is nice about VS Code. Hold Alt. This is
Alt.
just- and then you can move this line around. So
Oh.
now put it and now run it.
But it won't work.
It won't. Yeah, you're right. It won't work. It won't see it.
You're just making me do this.
The reason.
But I already know.
Honey, you had the import random down here. Normally, when we do imports to a file, we do them all at the top.
Okay, yeah,
All
but
at the
I
top,
didn't.
right.
Did they need to import?
You didn't need it, but it's just convention. I'm just letting you know for convention.
What else I couldn't rate it?
Yeah.
I'm so tired. Okay, so when I do this,
oh no, you're good. 24.
I also look. Let's delete this for a second, okay?
Sure.
This is it, right?
Yeah.
So Michael,
Right.
you may be good at coding,
Okay.
but I'm psychic.
Okay.
I can guess the number.
Okay.
Before it comes out.
Okay.
32.
71.
Huh?
It's the debugger thing.
Wow, we weren't
I was
even
closer.
close.
I was closer.
One more time. Ready?
Yeah. But
Hold on.
it's definitely 46.
8.
Definitely 46. I was so close. Now,
Okay, I understand. Okay.
No. We have one more cool thing we're gonna do.
Okay.
Okay. Hit a Control Z and bring back your string stuff.
Okay.
Nice. So you have your my string. Okay.
Now what?
Now, this is poggers. You stupid, you fool. You have no idea what's coming.
Just tell me.
I've given you the pieces to... I want you, Jerry, to print of your string. I want you to index and get me a random letter from the string.
You can't do that!
Bitch, you can. If you want your kids to eat, that is.
Wait.
Jerry.
You want me to what?
I want you to get a random index. So instead of getting like the second or first index, get a random
that's
index.
so easy.
Yeah,
I just do random range.
Wrong.
Oh, sorry. Wait.
Okay.
Fuck. Oh, shit. What the fuck am I doing?
You're doing it.
Oh, I'm
You're
doing
in
it.
it.
I'm
You're in it.
doing it.
You're
Oh,
in it.
okay. Range.
Right.
Wait, what do you want me to do?
I want you to get me a random character from the string. So index it by random. You're on the right path.
This is right.
You're on the right path. You're doing the right things up until now. I mean, you're doing the right things. It's like, not like you haven't made an error yet. So what do you want in your range?
I want a letter.
No. So
I want a random letter.
no, so range.
A through Z.
Fuck. Almost.
Oh,
You are so close.
no.
No. You're doing good. You now for a list or for like for let's just say when you're indexing, you cannot use so range. You must use like a number if it's a list or a collection like this.
Okay.
So rand range returns you a number, right? So we learned how rand range works like right here.
Yeah.
You only pass it numbers, right?
So it won't do letters or characters.
It won't
so
do
how do I
letters.
do make it do characters?
See, put all the see. Look, no, honey, look at the little pieces, right?
I'm looking at it.
We're gonna break this down, right?
Okay.
So this, the highlighted portion,
Yes.
is gonna crunch. We remember the crunch,
Yeah,
right?
crunch.
This is gonna crunch to
Crunch
a
the two numbers.
This is no.
No.
This is gonna crunch into a number,
Into
a
a
random
number.
number, just
A
like
random
remember how
number.
we hit.
So I have to make the characters into numbers.
No.
Okay.
No. So remember how we index the string is with numbers. And so we can make a random number and slap it in the index box. You were doing it. You were doing the thing. So for the range, it's only taking numbers. So you just need to give it the range of numbers you want to select between.
Oh! 0 through... Hold on. How do I get this out?
No, that's right. Just hit escape.
Oh, it's annoying. 14.
Look at that.
I did it.
Look at
I did it.
that.
I was
Do
counting
it
it.
again.
I was
Look
counting
at this.
it.
Okay, that's cool,
Okay.
right? Now, what if I do this? What are you gonna do?
Oh, then
What are you gonna do?
then you gotta find the length.
I'm gonna come.
Print. I don't remember.
Shit.
Lane.
Len.
Dot. Wait, is this right?
It was
sorry,
a
sorry.
It was a parentheses. It's okay.
Parentheses.
It's
My
confusing.
string.
Yeah.
String. Is that it?
So go ahead and run it, and you'll figure it out. So this will return the length of the string.
Yes.
So
it's a 40.
So what would
wait,
you?
No.
So no. This is good. So
Okay.
what would you do with that information, knowing it's 45?
Now I can just put it on the thing.
Now do the thing. Do what you were gonna do.
This thing, right?
Okay. Now let me show you this.
Okay.
Let me hit you with this one.
Okay.
Now it's all. Now it's.
My God!
I know. It's crazy.
How did
Now it will shit. Now it will adapt to any amount of numbers in the string.
Oh.
Right?
Oh.
And actually, no, this works. This works because normally when you do the length of a string, it goes 1 over the index. So it's because when you get the length, it's like say you have a string that's 10 characters long. The length would be 10, but the max index would be 9.
Can you do -1?
Yeah, so normally you would do like length -1.
Okay.
But because just out of the blue, since we're doing rand range, the top bound is non-inclusive. So it's kind of like it automatically did it for us.
That's cool. You just kind of like
You just took it
You just
and
click it
combined
and you put it.
Yes,
That's
exactly what you were
so
thinking. And now
smart.
it adapts itself. So when you see something like this, you
Okay.
solve it by breaking it down from the inside, and you can see the inside of anything by these, the parentheses and the brackets. So you say, okay, the innermost thing is this length. So I'm finding the length. The length here is something like 9.
Yeah.
That's gonna
And then
crunch. We're gonna do a crunch down to 9, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna go 1 out.
Then that takes a random thing.
This is gonna give it a round number, and you know what that random number is gonna do?
Crunched.
It's gonna crunch.
It's gonna crunch.
It's gonna crunch.
And it's gonna do the random number of the string.
Of the string.
It's gonna
And it's
crunch
gonna
even more.
crunch. And then it's gonna
gonna
turn out the
crunch.
crunch. Yeah, crunch.
Crunch.
See how cool that is? Isn't that
really-
interesting?
That's
That's
cool.
fun, right?
That's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Yay. Good job.
Crunch.
Crunch. Let's do here. This will be fun too.
Okay.
We'll do 0. This will show us. This can show us. It's fun to play around with stuff.
You made a mistake.
Indices. Oh, I'm stupid.
Don't call yourself that. Oh, that's
So this will. It's fun to play around with things like this. So at this level, the index level, remember we can do substrings?
Yes.
So now it's going always from the beginning to like a random point in the string.
what?
So because I put 0 here,
Okay.
I'm slicing the string
You're
from
slicing
0
it. 0 to the random
to the
point.
random point.
Yes.
So this is fun.
That's
cool.
gonna be random.
I mean, maybe it was like 0 or 1 there.
It sliced at the
Because the M.
It sliced at the space.
Sliced it, yeah, it's slicing, not splitting. Different, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it goes to so it's fun to play around with like
okay.
stuff like that. Just,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
get it in.
Okay. Cool. Crunch. Crunch.
Crunch.
Crunch.
Crunch.
Crunch.
Good job.
I learned so much.
You did a good job.
I did. I learned. I paid attention.
Yeah, you learned so much.
And I got
It
to
was
eat
good.
food.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You want to learn music theory now? I'm joking. Is there anything else?
No, I mean if you're good, I mean there's always more, but you seem tired, so it's okay. So how about whatever you're gonna do.
I feel so like empty now.
Why?
I don't know. Like we did this.
Well,
Now
there's so
what?
much more to do. There's so much more to do.
Okay.
There's a million more things. that you can do with coding. So next time we can do more of them.
Okay, thanks for teaching me.
Yeah. Learned about a lot of things.
Yay! That was fun.
No doubt.
That was cool.
Yeah, it's cool,
Love
right?
you.
Love you too.
When can I make games now? When can I help you with your video? I can like be your coding assistant. I can help you with your codings.
Yeah.
I could help you. To your video.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Like I'm on the right track.
You are. You're on the right track. And then you'll do games, and you can help me.
I want to help you with your video.
Yeah. Let's do games.
When do you think I can help you with your video? Give me a time span.
So it depends on how many notes you take, and how much of the glue sticks to your brain.
It's sticking pretty well right now.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, it's sticking pretty well. What do you think? Like a month? 2 months?
Oh. It's dependent. You know, it really depends on a lot of factors.
3 months?
There's a lot of things
6 months?
you have to go.
Not a year, right?
No, I don't think so. Actually,
Like a month then.
Whoa, you went from 6 months to a month.
Like 2 months. I could learn what you know in 2 months.
I think you could learn enough to help me in 2 months if you like
Okay.
really tried.
I will help you. Yay.
Yay.
I could be like your intern.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah,
You want more music theory now?
sure. Circle of fifths.
Never mind. That was fun.
Right?
Hey,
Yeah,
wow.
it's fun. There's lots of cool things you can
My
do.
brain is... I've been streaming for like 8 hours.
Okay. Well,
Alright. That was a good coding lesson.
good sesh.
Good sesh. I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot.
Yeah.
Something print. The thing. Michael said I can help him with this video in like 2 months. So you guys can look forward to that. I'm gonna help him with it. But before that, I'm probably gonna like try to... I wanna make a game.
Yeah, I think before that you would make a game.
I would like to make a game.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay. Cool.
I'll teach you all the stuff you need to make the game.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can make your art for it. Be nice.
Well, play that ad. And
Playing an ad.
who is online? I'm so fucking... My brain is like mush. Scar streaming. Skawa? 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 Hold on. I'm gonna Scar. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna just chill a little bit.
You look like you work at the front desk of a hotel.
You know what, today, during the shoot, Pokey and Skara did this in front of me. Right? And I thought they were just taking a cute selfie. And then I go up to them, and then I see what's on their phone. And you know what's on their phone? I'm gonna just pull it up. I'm just gonna pull it up. They're just looking at me and looking at Velma from Scooby-Doo and laughing.
It really do look
It
like
really
that.
do be like that
It
though,
really
shit.
do.
I kinda do.
You,
Holy
yeah,
shit.
you kind of do.
I kinda do.
Like Asian Velma.
Yeah. Today's shoot was like really weird.
It wasn't that weird
It was pretty weird.
compared to the rest of them.
This one was like
Compared
I
to
don't know.
slime
I
shoot?
didn't know the narrative of this one.
Compared
yeah.
to slime,
No, the slime one was pretty bad.
yeah, that one was wild.
Alright.
Hogger.
I hate it when people spam me to do stuff.
Just don't pay attention to them.
I'm gonna read Don Scara because if I don't, he'll be mad. I'm joking. He won't be mad. That's a joke.
I'm gonna hit it.
No, not yet.
Oh.
Okay, wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
Are you playing ads?
Yeah.
For real?
Look, you wanna see the ad thing I did? Do you like it?
I do. That's very cute.
It's my ad break screen and my bathroom break screen, so whenever they see it.
That's really cute.
I would have streamed 12 hours today, but I think I should take a break I'll come back tomorrow. Oh, we're playing Jackbox tomorrow if you guys want to watch that.
We are?
Yeah, you. I told you.
What time?
5 p.m. PST.
What day?
Tomorrow. It's Wednesday. I told you.
I don't know about that.
I told you though.
I don't know if you're.
Okay, you want to talk about this off stream?
I don't know if you're super sure about that.
What do you mean?
I don't know if that's right.
Okay, but you always do this where you just like don't listen.
I don't know if.
Okay, people are actually gonna take this seriously. Don't. People are gonna take this seriously.
I wouldn't want them to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe like a little too seriously.
We'll talk about this off.
Yeah. Maybe a little too seriously. Kind of like you take a lot of things, so like a lot. Maybe like a little too seriously sometimes.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Sometimes, yeah. It's gonna be passive aggressive now. That'll fix it.
Michael.
And then the yelling starts.